Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you a really cool trick how to generate a realistic ground view photo of any place using just a Google Maps screenshot. In this tutorial, we'll be using Nano Banana inside Gemini AI to generate the photo. Okay, let's get started. First, just open Google Maps on your phone or computer and then just search for the locations that you want to turn into a photo, and then just zoom in the place until the red location spin is clear and centered like this. And once you have got the right spot, just take a screenshot of your map view like this. Like this. And next just open Google Gemini and then just log in with your Google account. Earlier I tested this with Borobudur temple, and here's the results. It looks almost identical to the real temple. It's super impressive. And then now let's try another place together and see what Gemini creates. But first just make sure the Nano Banana feature is activated. This is Google's latest tool that lets you instantly edit and generate images with prompts. To activate, just tap on tools icon, this one, and then choose create images like this. And next, just upload the screenshot you just took. Just tap on the plus button and then upload files like this. And now in the prompt box, just type a prompt like this. For example like this, and then just tap on generate. And okay, like this. It looks realistic, right? And okay, that's it. From a simple Google Maps screenshot to a realistic ground view photo with Nano Banana in Gemini AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!